Ariana's Braids, and I have Ariana with me today, and we want to show you how to do a high bun with accent braids on the back. So let me spin you around.
Another night, I fall in your sight.
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started.
Like a knife.
I started off by having the top section out of the way tied in a bun, and now I will make two part lines going from crown down to the neck on the right and the left side, and I will tie them up with the elastics for now. Out of middle section we will make 5 ponytails, so make 5 part lines and tie them with an elastic.
I don't wanna go alone, no, no, no. I don't wanna go alone.
I'm making a Dutch braid on both right and left sides, so pick up a small section, split it to 3 equal strands, and now put your left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand, add extra hair, cross it under the middle, right strand, add extra hair, cross it under the middle, left strand, pick up extra hair, cross it under the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, cross it under the middle. Continue picking up the hair, and once you reach the neck, make a few extra stitches and secure it with an elastic.
I would never walk away. I know what you need. I would bleed for you, but you're taking somebody home. I know I need to.
I've already braided the left side as well, so now combine 2 braids to the bottom ponytail. I'm going to let 3 ponytails out and securing the top 2 out of the way for now. To prep the hair, I will spray some water and a bit of argan oil to keep that hair nice and smooth. Now top ponytail goes out of the way for now. Second ponytail from the bottom, split it in half, and now your bottom ponytail, split it to 3 equal strands, and both strands from the top ponytail will fall on each side of the middle strand on your bottom ponytail like this. And now pick up the outer strands from the bottom ponytail, and all 3 strands get connected to the third ponytail from the bottom with an elastic. Now we're working with second and third ponytail from the bottom, so third ponytail, split it in half, and second ponytail, split it to 3 strands, and once again let the top ponytail fall to frame the middle section of the bottom ponytail. And now all 3 strands from the bottom ponytail gets connected to the 4th ponytail from the bottom. And I'm going back and gently tugging at the edges of the braid to give it more volume.
Wanna break it off and go your own way.
Repeating the same steps, split the top ponytail in half, the bottom ponytail split to 3 equal strands, and now let the strands from the top ponytail fall between the middle strand of the bottom ponytail. And now combine all 3 strands from the bottom ponytail to our last ponytail on top and secure them together with an elastic.
Against the kitchen sink.
I'm going to repeat pull through braid one more time, and now since we don't have any more ponytail to connect our bottom ponytail to, I will just tie an elastic to secure the 3 strands together. And now combine your ponytail to the one on top with a big hair elastic. And now I will go back and gently tug at the edges of the braid to give it more volume. Spray water to the ponytail, and I'm going to make a simple French braid. I'm not doing the braid extra tight, so continue all the way down, secure it with an elastic, and I'm going to make a simple bun and secure it with bobby pins.
Skin to skin, up against the kitchen sink. Our friendship and the way our bodies begin. You know that I was never your friend, never your friend.
Alright, let's do a final spin.
I was never your friend, never your friend. Now that it's over,
I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that we used in this video I will link down in the description box below. And we will see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!